Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Mypicture Photo Canvas 80 by 60 centimeters. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packaging. So in this card packaging is a Mypicture Photo Canvas measuring 80 centimeters by 60 centimeters. Now let's go ahead and open up the packaging by tearing down the tearing strip and giving a look at the picture canvas or photo canvas as it sits in the brown shipping parcel or package. Now let's lift up and help the photo canvas, set it down to the side or in the middle, and just setting the card packaging to the side. So there is a thank you note accompanying the photo canvas. So we're giving you a look at the details right there. Okay, and just going to set that down somewhere, so down on the ground, and giving you a look at the photo canvas. So that's the back part, and giving you a look at the side profile as well, and of course the front. And as you can see, it is wrapped up in a clear plastic bag. So the measurements once again is 80 centimeters by 60 centimeters. So obviously this one is in a portrait orientation. And let's go ahead and slide the photo canvas out from its clear plastic packaging, so you have a full and clear look at the details right there of this Mypicture 80 by 60 centimeter photo canvas. So we're giving you a look at the back as well. So this one doesn't come with a hanger set, or at least I didn't opt for the hanger set. And this one has a 2 centimeter standard thickness and a stretched border design. And of course this one is frameless, as you can see, no frame around the border or edges. So to give you once again some sense of the picture canvas or photo canvas, and giving you a much closer in look at the details. They're achieving focus and giving you a much closer in look at the canvas texture. So you can see it does have a matte finish, and of course the edge design as well, stretched with a 2 centimeter canvas thickness or frame thickness. So right there, the details. And let's bring it in even closer so you can see those details. Of the print quality. Of this photo canvas. So giving you a look at the back as well, at the back design. the mounting quality and standard right there with the staples on the wood frame. And of course the canvas as well, just tapping on it lightly, and of course giving you some sense of the canvas and how it's stretched on its frame, and right there giving you a look at the way the light plays on this matte finish photo canvas. Okay, so once again giving you a sense of perspective there, standing further back, and of course resting it down on the floor and giving you a look right there, and just leaning it against the wall and holding it up. So that's the Mypicture Photo Canvas 80 by 60 centimeters. Thanks for watching and happy printing!